Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. This is going to be another unboxing video and I have got Latest in Beauty and it's their Hot Right Now box, which you can see. So as always, if you're new to Latest in Beauty, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious to see what I chose in this month's box, then I'll add a timestamp down below so you're free to flick forward. So Latest in Beauty is a monthly beauty subscription box. It offers lots of different type of boxes. You can have a monthly subscription, you can buy one-off boxes, and they bring out limited edition and special edition type boxes as well. They've just released a Summer Essentials one and I think it's about £46 and the value is over £200, I think, anyway, from what I saw yesterday, and it looks absolutely amazing. So they do bring out special edition and limited edition boxes often as well. So back to the subscription then. The difference of the subscription is that you choose the products, so it's no mystery. Every month they do a new edit of products. On the first of the month they do an Instagram live and they go through all the products that they're releasing throughout the month. These products are released daily over a month. You only know a week at a time what products are going to be released. So it's a bit of potluck. It's a bit of like looking online to seeing, you know, what takes your fancy and then looking out for it. Check in like daily or every couple of days to see if the products that you fancy are up there for you to get the box. So you can opt for a 3-product box and that will cost you £9 and that's including shipping. Or you can opt for a 6-product box which will cost you £15 and that includes shipping as well. And then finally you can opt for a 19-product box which will cost you £18 and include shipping. You can cancel anytime. Plus, say for instance you fancy taking out a 9-product box, you can have the option to switch it down to a 6 or even a 3-product box the following month. As long as you do it before the date of when your money comes out of your bank for the following box, then you're fine. It's a good idea to find out at the start of every month to see what is available, what is coming up. If there's lots of products that you fancy, then, you know, if you've got a 9-product box, then you might as well stay with it. But if you think, no, this month isn't good as I hoped, then you can drop it down to 3 or you can cancel. There's always deals going on. There's always codes flying around for like £5 off your first box. If I can find any out, I will link them down below. So underneath this video you'll see show more, click that and that will bring up description, so all links to any special edition boxes, all links to all their subscription boxes and their website. I will link it all there, and codes of course. If I can find codes online I'll pop them down there as well. So for someone like me who has a lot of mystery boxes, I think it's sometimes nice to have a box that you actually choose your products, that you're guaranteed you know you're going to like them. But as with all boxes, some months are going to be better than others, and there's been times when I've sort of halted my subscription. I've just cancelled, but then I keep on looking, and then when a month takes my fancy I sign back up again. This box is actually gifted to me this month, so a lovely lady from Latest in Beauty got in contact with me and offered me a code, so thank you so much. So I was able to choose 6 products. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out I will let you know down in the description below. So let's show you what I chose. I'm not sure how much you'll be able to see. So I'll just put this down to the side of me, grab an item, show you. So every month they release a Hall of Fame product. So that means that this product will be available all throughout the month. I forgot to say earlier that some products, when they're released onto the website, there's no guarantee that they will be there until the end of the month. It depends on how many people want them. They could sell out within a day or it could sell out within a couple of days. That's something to bear in mind when you're choosing your products. But yeah, the Hall of Fame product then, it's a special product that they have chosen as the product that is going to be well stocked and you're going to be able to get it all throughout the month. If you don't want to have it, you don't have to have it. It's your choice what you choose, but I wanted to have it because I've tried this brand before and I think it's really lovely. It's by Lipstick Queen and it's nothing but the nudes. I believe it comes in 2 different nude shades, and it's this one they've sent me is Bloomin' Blush. So it's a full-size lipstick. Yeah, I think the other one is more of a like a brownie coral type nude. Yeah, really pretty, really pretty colour. Please excuse the mess of my hands. I'm not sure if you saw my video yesterday. Oh, I got fake tan on. I'm a little bit browner than normal, but yeah, my hands are fading badly, really badly. They're really patchy, so I'm trying to scrub it all away. But so yeah, it's not that I'm not unclean, it's just really badly applied tan on my hands. It's a nice shimmery type of lipstick. It's not matte. So that's my first product. Next is something a little bit different. I wouldn't normally go for it, but it was a bit weird and a bit different. It's Snail Extract Intelligent Mask, and this is by AT, I think it's AT, and this is 80 grams. I'll just take the cellophane off. I missed the Instagram edit reveal at the beginning of the month. So I don't know what they said about this, but yes, a mask for your face. I didn't think it would be this size. When I was thinking 80 grams, I was thinking 80 mils for some reason. So no, it's a full-size pot. So that's what it looks like there. So a nice big size, and you've got a spatula. Yeah, it's very slimy. I don't know how much snail extract is in there. Can you, wow, flipping Nora. Up. You can see, yeah. It smells nice. It does smell nice. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to think about that. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Apply using upward strokes after cleansing and daily moisturising. Massaging gently. No need to rinse. Relax, sleep and wake up with fresher, radiant complexion. So it's a night mask. So yeah, so benefits. Penetrates deep into the skin to hydrate and improve elasticity and softness for a more youthful appearance. Balances oil levels and helps minimise pores. That sounds really cool. So that's my second product, a bit different. So next is it's a dry shampoo, a coconut dry shampoo. And this is Dry Clean Cocolicious by Phil Smith, Be Gorgeous. And it says, instant tropical refresh to refresh hair for all hair types. I've got 150 mils there. Never tried this brand before, but dry shampoo, always handy, especially going on holiday in a couple of weeks' time. Some days I just want to put my hair up out of the way, and yeah, I find dry shampoo, because I've got thin hair, dry shampoo gives my hair a little bit more hold, and I'm able to do a lot more in my hair. If I would just want to tie it up, but I want to give it a bit more volume instead of like sticking to my roots, then dry shampoo just makes it thicker, and yeah, it smells nice. Always a handy product to have, so that's why I chose that. Next I chose a Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Bodybuilder. Bodybuilding hairstyle, and this is 98 mils. So I've recently received quite a few Living Proof hair care products, and I'm impressed with it. I do really like the range. I haven't used it all yet, but when I saw this, I thought I use hairspray all the time, and I've never tried a hairspray from this brand before, so I thought, why not add to my little collection and see what it's like. So it says here, turn white nozzle that way for more body, that way for less body. Oh my word. So you can control, can you see there? You can control. Oh, more body, definitely. I don't want less body. So there's that item there. Another hair care product, and we've got Paul Smith Be Gorgeous, same brand as the dry shampoo, and this is a 2-in-1 revitalising shampoo and conditioner. Shiny hair, healthy scalp for all hair types with tea tree and fresh mint, and this is 350 mils. So I got this for the boys in the family. Now I'm a trained hairdresser. I don't really do it much anymore, just family and friends. I always steer clear of 2-in-1s. Always, because in the long run they're not great for your hair. But you know, this was like 20-30 years ago. No, yeah, about 20-25 years ago when I was doing my training. Things might have changed, so I thought, oh well, I fancy getting this tea tree and fresh mint. It sounds nice and refreshing. So I thought, because the boys in the family, they've got short hair, and 2 of them do use conditioner, so I thought I'll try this, see what that's like. I wouldn't use it on my hair, and I wouldn't use it on my daughter's hair either. My daughter's got hair down to her bum, but it's because I'm stuck in the mindset of many years ago, never use a 2-in-1 on your hair. But yeah, that's why I chose this, and that is for the boys, basically. A nice big size this, so that should last some ages. And then the last product is makeup, and we've got 3 mini eyeliner pencils by Sumita? I'm not sure. That's the outer packaging, and they're in gold, silver and matte white. 3 little mini pencils. So we've got a gold one here. Let's try it. Wow, that really stands out. Can you see there? That is pretty, really pretty. Then we've got, how does this work? Because that is teeny tiny, look at that. Get me out of the picture. See, it's teeny tiny. What is going on? I don't know. I've just taken the bottom off now. No, so you don't twist it up, you just sharpen it, but it's just weird. It just looks like it's just loose in there. It's the white one. Yeah, just a white pencil there. That one's more like it. That's what it should do. That's what the white should look like. The gold and the silver I use more for like inner corner highlight. But yeah, that's the silver one then. You can see next to the gold. But yeah, so no, quite chuffed with those. They're little. So those are all my items. So I just gather them all up. This is hard to hold them because they're quite big. But I chose 6 items. I've got a Paul Smith. I got a, not Paul, he's Phil. Phil Smith 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. Then I got a Sumita 3 mini eyeliners. Then I've got a Living Proof Body Building Hairspray. Then I got a Phil Smith dry shampoo. Then I got a TY, I think it's called TY. Where is it gone? No. AT. Oh, my mind is like a sieve, isn't it? Close. I got an AT Snail Extract face mask. Dry shampoo just went on the floor. I got a nude lipstick by Lipstick Queen down there as well. So no one really trusts the items I chose. Obviously I chose them, so I knew what to expect. I knew that I was going to like them. Don't know what they're like to try. There's nothing here that I have tried before, so we'll see. So mainly hair things, but yeah, they're a good mix. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of Latest in Beauty? Have you taken out a subscription with them? What sort of products did you choose this month? Or are you still waiting? Are you still waiting until the end of the month to see what is available before you choose? Because that's happened to me literally the last couple of days in the month. I have chosen my product. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.